Hey y'all, and welcome back to the Freight House. Today we're gonna make a mint julep, and I'm gonna give you a little behind the scenes before I start on it. So 2 years ago, mint julep time, I was off shooting Top Chef. 1 year ago, mint julep time, I was literally about to have a baby, like 38, 39 weeks, something like that. This year, mint julep time, I can put them back. So we're gonna learn how to make one, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do about 6 to 8 mint leaves, depending on their size. Throw them in the bottom. We're gonna do powdered sugar. I like powdered sugar for this one. Let's do like a heaping bar spoon. You can add more if you want. You can add less. We're gonna muddle them up. It's like an ice cube video. This drink's about to get really dirty. So we're gonna muddle, and you can start to kind of see how it's like breaking apart and getting all gooey. All right, so we've got that in there. Then I just add a little drop of the water where the mint's been hanging out. I feel like it's flavored, and you know, why not? The next trick is what's key for a mint julep. We're gonna put some ice right here in the middle of this napkin. We're going to close it up. We're going to take the muddler that my husband made for me, and we're going to beat this ice. Oh yeah. All right, so we're just going to empty it out like this. I love this Old Forester 1920. It's really high proof. That's what I like in a cocktail. So we're gonna add 2 ounces of that. Oh. Then we're gonna add a little more ice. So you think this is like a messy drink now, just wait. So you've had 8 of them. It's real sloppy. We're just gonna give it a little stir. Now, if you don't want to do the ice like this, if you have like a Roku or a food processor at home, you can process it, keep it in the freezer, you'll be fine. We're gonna hit it with, let's do 2 things of mint. Let's go all out. And then we're gonna drink it. Happy Derby, place your bets. Maybe you'll win some money, I don't know. Cheers, y'all. It's like the hospital ice, you know, when you go and you get it. It's delicious, but hospital ice with whiskey and mint. It's good for you.